This is a recipe I got from Pierre Chum from Dakar, Senegal. We were there a couple years ago. You take some honey, you cook the mangoes down in the honey for about 20, 25 minutes, add a little lime juice when it's done, and you make a rice pudding. It's sort of a porridge they use with coconut and coconut milk and a little bit of rice and water, and you finish with a little mango on top. This is the coconut and the coconut cream we cooked briefly, and you top it with that.
Oh, my gosh. My mom would love that. She loves rice pudding.
So we're going to make a bitter green salad now. We have 3 oranges that we peeled, cut into quarters and into small pieces like that. We have a little bit of vinegar to it to let it sit. And now we're going to take some fresh herbs, oregano, and shallot. Now, the thing about this is, it's a great tip, and you know this. If you take onion or shallot and let it sit in vinegar for 10 or 15 minutes, it kind of quick pickles. And it gets the bite out of it, which is really nice.
It takes away the edge of it, And so, this is actually very similar. My mom is Sicilian, and oregano, citrus, and onion, in this case it's shallot, but it's so common. It's a classic.
Yeah, and you take bitter greens. You can take endive, radicchio, whatever, about 12 cups, and it's really nice with the sweetness of the orange. We also have some olives. We put in a little bit of walnuts that have been toasted. And we have some fresh chef goat's cheese.
I'm just adding extra lemon. What are you doing? It's fun. I'm just adding extra lemon. It's fun.
You're just going to stick with that the whole time, right? And put that in.
It's making me happy. It's fun.
And some oil.
Yeah.
In my favorite cruet, by the way.
Oh, you're sweet. Thank you.
One of the great tricks, by the way, if you want a creamy salad dressing, is fresh chev or goat cheese. Mixes in, and it turns it into a
creamy dressing.
So let this sit for a few minutes. It gets very, very creamy. So we take 2 pounds of squash, peel it. We have some in the oven. We roasted these for half an hour. Let's go grab them. We'll take them out. Yep. Little oil and salt.
Here, we'll put it back here.
Okay. We'll grab this. Put that in a bowl. Most of them are out.
Lovely.
So this is a great technique. It's from Indian cooking called tarka. And you take oil and you take herbs and infuse them for a few minutes. This has coconut, sesame seeds, mustard seeds, cumin.
It smells amazing.
Little garlic.
Oh, wow.
It takes 3 or 4 minutes, and you get that spice in the oil. And then you can coat anything you want. You can put it on top of anything.
Can I put this in here?
Put it right in there.
Okay.
So instead of just roasted vegetables or steamed vegetables, the tarka, the spice and the oil is just really terrific.
Oh, God, it smells amazing, Chris. I'll platter this.
You know, I love cooking with Rachael. She does all the work.
I just feel so useless if I'm not doing something in the kitchen.
The final recipe is from a friend of mine in Portland, Maine, Brianna Holtz. She co-owns the Tandem Bakery. It's in an old gas station, and she makes really interesting baked goods. This is a ginger chocolate scone.
Yum.
I'll say that again. This is a ginger chocolate scone. They're absolutely fabulous. So she mixes up the butter in some of the flour. At first, does that, mixes this together. She has a cup of chocolate, a cup of ginger. But the problem is, of course, how do you grate the ginger? She uses powdered ginger, fresh ginger, and crystallized ginger. And these are the scones, which are to die for. Yeah. Oh, those are really good.
Shall we have a scone?
I think we're going to have a scone, yeah.
We're going to have a scone. Scone, cheers!